Welcome to today's video on crypto investing, where we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started, scale your investments, and ultimately succeed in the crypto market in 2025. If you've been curious about how to navigate the world of digital currencies, you're in the right place. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to enhance your strategies, this video is packed with valuable insights. 1. How to start crypto investing. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand the basics. Crypto investing can be both exciting and volatile, so the first step is choosing a reputable exchange. You'll need to create an account, verify your identity, and deposit funds before making your first trade. But don't rush. Do your research. Look for exchanges that offer security features, low fees, and a wide range of coins. You can find the best and most trusted exchanges linked below in the description and comments section. Make sure to use them for a safe and reliable start. 2. Building a diversified portfolio. The key to success in crypto investing is diversification. Don't put all your money into one coin or token. Spread your investment across various projects, from well-established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum to promising altcoins that may offer high returns. A diversified portfolio reduces risk and increases your chances of long-term success. Keep an eye on emerging projects, but be cautious. Always make sure you understand the potential risks before investing. 3. Risk management and staying updated. Crypto markets are known for their volatility, and it's essential to have a solid risk management strategy in place. Set clear goals, and determine how much you're willing to lose before exiting a trade. Stay updated with the latest news and trends. The crypto market evolves quickly, so being in the loop can help you make informed decisions. 4. Scaling your investments. Once you've gotten comfortable with crypto investing and have learned from your initial investments, it's time to scale. This means increasing your exposure by investing larger amounts as you gain confidence and understanding of the market. Start thinking long-term. Crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success comes with patience, learning, and adapting to the market's fluctuations. 5. Succeeding in crypto in 2025. In 2025, the crypto market will likely continue to mature, with new technologies, regulations, and opportunities on the horizon. To succeed, you'll need to stay educated, be patient, and always keep a close eye on market developments. By combining research, smart risk management, and a long-term perspective, you can achieve success in the crypto world. If this video helped you understand the steps to start, scale, and succeed in crypto investing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with friends who are interested in crypto, and hit the subscribe button for more insights. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Additionally, if you're ready to start your crypto journey or want to switch to a more trusted and reliable platform, make sure to check out the link in the description and comments below for the best Forex exchange platform. Sign up now and begin your crypto adventure with confidence. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, your success in crypto investing starts with the right knowledge and strategy.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.